Hi world, good morning. So guys, I'm at my home, well, my second home, because I just came from the country. I talk a lot, guys. I did a lot of work and I was so tired. I still hoarse a little bit because we had a little party. I will, if I don't post that video yet, I will insert some clips of my sister's birthday party. And we came up and I'm here now, and when I came up, guys, I have more work to do inside. I'm like, oh, because they work on the floor, and it's a lot of dust, and we still have more work to do. So I'm gonna take you inside and I'm gonna show you what has done so far, what had done so far, and what still need to do. So it's really beautiful outside, guys. Look what I see. Peppers. We have peppers on the pepper tree. Another one right here. Focus. Guys, I found 2 berries. But this one tough. See, 3 there, guys, have a lot of fun. Oh gosh, I see a big one, guys. Oh my god, a big one there. Woo. Guys, part of 3 are rotten, but as you can see, it's one big one. Big one right there, so guys, me I go look there. Part ripe and part not ripe, but me I go eat out when me can't eat out of it, guys. Alright guys, so this is what I get from it. The part is tough. So me I throw it that there. But half I get good. This one is so sweet. Oh my mind. Get away, fly. Alright guys, we are going to the road now. Go look at the rest of tile. Because so I'm gonna take a picture of the one inside so I can know what I'm gonna buy. I know what, because I don't think my husband have good eyes, guys. So as you can see, he bought the white one. This one has like a creamish color. So I'm gonna take a picture. And there's flowers over here. Alright guys, so no matter what the house, it's kind of dusty, really dusty. Alright, my husband has his clothes over there. Because of the island was here, we have to take up all these tiles and to dig them up. What you call, they use the jackhammer. And so it brings a lot of dust. Okay? So much dust, guys, so much dust. And they put those down, so they're gonna grout it now. And this is the part that was hanging way out here. So that's why they have to took those tiles up. And now this is the part that left. We're gonna tile this part, and I think they're gonna cut this part off to the corner, like even it up, and tile this part and tile the face. We're gonna work on that part, and then we gotta clean up the whole kitchen. And then after, I'm making a center aisle to put right there. We turn on the TV, guys, because it's too loud. My husband better follow me close then. And these are the mirrors that I made before, guys. Alright, so let's go get something to eat. You say only sugar need to go in it? Sugar in there already? My husband making for me cornmeal porridge. Me want a little salt and a little sugar. Nothing in there fresh. Beg a little salt and a little sugar, please. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt because it's fresh. My husband make porridge with fresh. That milk you put in the Lasco. Put a little bit more sugar. Oh. Oopsie. Oh my, that's a pimento green you put in a porridge? Huh? Oh God. Guys, my husband loves pimento green till he put pimento green in the porridge. Lord of mercy. You put cinnamon too? You put cinnamon stick? Huh?
Yes.
Lord, I know pimento allspice and it can go in everything, but boy, my husband loves pimento so much. Look there. Take out the pimento green here, guys. Huh? You want a wife? You want? Oh, I think you say you want a wife. I think you say you will want a wife. Me go fi say if you don't have a wife already. Oh guys, he say, oh he put cinnamon stick. Oh he say if Floor will want a wife. It's okay. After we can't wipe yet either. Just wait till Mikey finish the tiling. Yeah, rough it? Okay guys, he say my rough it. Rough wipe it fresh. I'll help you too, you know, just let me drink a spoon of porridge. Oh my God, how much pimento green you put, sir? 6. About me I take out and it come like I'm on 6 already. Alright guys, let's share out some of this porridge. Oh, sorry. Look there. Oh my God, I'm more than 6 man, you not count. More than 6 this. Look at this and you can't tell me see a 6. You still have to pick out pimento green. That's not normal. Look like a 10 or 1 dozen. Oh my God, no 6. This is more than 1 dozen. No man. You know if you do it so much. Look here. Oh my goodness, Western. No man. How much you put in next? 6. I know 6. Alright, I'm going to go back in our video. I'm going to count out how much we take out so far. Show you see I know 6. Alright guys, let's drink some cornmeal porridge. Oh, we are going to get the bread. Alright guys, it's well hot, so let me go get one bread out the road and come back. Bread, Western, where bread there? So we're going to drink some porridge and bread. You know them things they try?
Yeah. Porridge again, you know?
Guys, try in the house again, you know, we're going to cook later. I choose Western cook it, make it porridge, you know, with their plants if you blend up some banana or something porridge. And you go to work tomorrow, not you?
Yeah, tomorrow. I want to come somewhere.
Oh, that's awesome. But it hot still, man. What? Me like them cornmeal, yeah. Really fine. One up so not so fine. Smooth. Me dey a country down some and then keep a party. Me carry one dragon for you. You see dragon, ready? Look in the fridge. I think just put one in. Or I get dragon you want. You don't want the guineas. Dragon. Yes sir. Some food. You cook some food, you see sir. And kill goat and put him on alcohol. Alright guys, this is the porridge. And guys, try big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Me and try, I go clean now. Place full of dust, guys. Alright guys, we're there in the place to drink some cornmeal porridge. Let me try, let me move out of dust. Vestan, let me come for you, friend. My joke. You don't want to drink, Vestan? Beg you one spoon and maybe put on my fan. Guys, me happy soon take off that wig. Oh God. No, there. Look over there, sir, try. Look over back, over there. Yeah, over there, sir. You're welcome. Try me soon come here, me I get like the porridge. It dusty, bad, lots of dust, guys. We come in our room, guys, to drink a little porridge. Oh my God.
Why?
With what? Yeah, man, when me account out, me see only 250. And he already teach me 150. He already teach me 150 in a restaurant. I could have buy almost another pound of ackee. Not pound, guys, dozen. Best on the porridge, nice. Porridge so creamy and smooth. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy my porridge. I'm gonna try to go clean up some dust out the summer for the living room. Lots of dust. You know what I'm saying? Mikey should have helped me clean up back the dust, you know. You should help clean up back the dust, not you? Everything full of dust. Alright guys, this is where we're at. Alright, we are mopped the floor. I hold this. Say hi. Can I say hi? You know, come over here. Alright. I must water the my face, guys. Okay, I work me out. Alright guys, so this is where we're at with the countertop. The guy is still finishing up the edges. So when it's done, I'll show you. Alright guys, we have two of them big breadfruit here. I'm gonna roast. Some part it look like a bee sting a little bit, but I roast it and cut it out. And I got some ackee. I'm gonna cook them, cool them down and freeze them. I have some sorrel. My husband gonna make this one, guys. I'm tired. And then now, you know, Lucky Mendez, guys, he gave me one bottle. He said, oh, you can take two. I said, no. I said, no, I don't want it. So, you know, one for 15 and some for 2. I just give him a change and take one. You know, Ivo? But look on it away there. Alright. These are the Rastaman Roots Tonic, Lucky Mendez from Bagwalk. Alright. So I'm gonna use this to make some punch and my husband gonna drink some. Okay. So it's just a video I'm gonna put together. Alright guys. So now I'm gonna show you outside how we do it. Alright, the rain is coming down, guys. I'm gonna take up the clothes as much as possible. So here in Jamaica, after we wash them on the line, after we wash them in the washing machine, we put them out on the line to dry, and this is how they're looking. The rain is coming down. I'm gonna hurry up and take them up. Alright, and see you later.